Wolo Travel is an experience-based travel company. We don't want to be generalists, we want to be specialists. At the core of Wolo's culture is that we work to live, we don't live to work. Our mission at Wolo Travel is to create completely different travel packages and experience for customers so that they can go abroad and just have really awesome holidays. Travel is something that everybody should have the opportunity to experience. It definitely makes you richer as a person and helps you come back and contribute to society and your country. When our customers are booking something that we're offering them, they are going to get exactly what we say they are going to get.
What I like most about working at Wolo Travel is, as cliche as it sounds, is the culture and the people. At Wolo Travel, it's not my customer, it's not your customer, it's Wolo's customer. If any issues were to happen, I love that we all jump in and assist travelers as well.
What I like about working for Wolo is that part of my lifestyle, I enjoy coming to work. I love the people, I love how close we are and the culture, and it's just really fun.
As a startup company, we knew exactly what we wanted to achieve.
What makes Wolo's products so awesome is that they are all curated and tailored to have a Wolo experience. So it's not something we found online randomly. We have close relationships with the people we work with. So we know that our travelers are going to be in good hands and have the best experience we can possibly give them.
Some of the struggles we had initially was that we were using systems that meant very little collaboration and not having transparency. So moving across to Zoho meant that we were on a cloud-based system. We could be anywhere and felt like we were in the same room. So we currently use the full Zoho One suite. The main products are Zoho CRM, Zoho Mail. We really rely on Cliq, and then Connect.
As a marketing coordinator, the Zoho products that I use on a day-to-day are projects, CRM, forms, and social. What I like about Zoho products is that it's easy to use and you can find what you need within the click of a button.
It allows us to work through the inquiry in its various stages of quoting, all the way through to when they're booking and having all of the data for what they've booked, when they've booked it for, and what they've paid for on their booking. The great thing with Zoho is that it can be tailored to what you do, and how you use that system can pretty much be set up by each of the users.
So now that we have Zoho, the process is going to become much easier.
If I had to describe Zoho in one word, it would be flexible.
It would be efficient.
User-friendly.